Hey guys, I'm Greg with Quantum Machinery Group, and this is our all-new System 16 Imperial Workbench from Siegmund Welding Tables. Whether you're a DIYer or a small business that want to cut cost on equipment but don't want to skimp on quality, this may be the choice for you. Even though this is a budget-friendly welding table, it still has Siegmund's signature through-hardened tool steel top that is plasma nitrated and bar coated. What this is going to protect you against is weld spatter, rust, scratches, as well as dents. The table also has a 2-inch by 2-inch hole pattern on the entirety of the top, giving you endless fixture points. The top is also reversible, so if you're hard on equipment, you can take out 10 bolts and within a few minutes you can flip over the top, giving the table a whole new lease on life. This table is also lightweight due to its aluminum extruded frame that is corrosion resistant, as well as has adjustable legs from 32 inch up to 38 inches. This is important for TIG welders who like to put their legs under the table while doing welds to run the foot pedal. This is perfect for a one-man shop that doesn't have a lot of employees and needs to move their equipment around and rearrange. This table's light, but it can hold 550 pounds on top of it. This table comes with some accessories that's going to help you to be able to fabricate right out of the box. It's going to come with 4 of our basic screw clamps, 8 of our short pass clamping bolts, 4 of our 90X stop and clamping squares, and 4 of our 90SL stop and clamping squares. This is going to be a game changer for any shop, helping you to fabricate faster and make profits go up. Make sure to check out the links in the video description for our social media, where you can follow us to see new products as well as giveaways and customer builds. We ask you to stay safe and keep on fabricating.